Computer games are one of the most fast-growing areas of computer usage, since computers start to take place in our life. Using computer games as an instrument in education became popular, because computer games are played especially by young generation. Among the types of games, there is a special category: educational games, which have one goal besides entertainment with education. This type of games were designed with educational purposes, such as helping people to learn about a certain subjects. In traditional method, it emphasizes on basic skills. One of the traditional methods is explaining. Explaining is similar to lecturing and is usually given in the classroom. This can also be associated with demonstrating and modeling. A demonstration is the circumstance of proving conclusively, as by reasoning or showing evidence, while modeling uses visual aid to learning. Students can visualize an object or problem. Demonstrating is one of traditional methods in teaching. Demonstrations are done to provide an opportunity in learning new exploration and visual learning tasks from a different perspective. The purpose of this study is to incorporate learning into a game, especially on elementary students. A game which goal is to educate is more important these days because most of the children are interested in computer games. The proponents took the advantage of this interest in creating an entertainment, but also to give learning in each student in subject like Filipino, because some of students is skip reading and became lazy readers, especially in Filipino, and they give up on the words they find difficult and had a low regard for it. The game Filipino is based on Filipino subject. Proponents have thought of developing a game that can help students in the field of Filipino subject. The games that will be developed by the proponents contains game concepts of hangaroog, text twist, and guess the answer in one application that can be enjoyed by the players, which are the students. Objective of the study: create a game with integrated sounds and animations. Design a game that will not accept inappropriate inputs and handle errors committed by the user. Create a game that gives knowledge to the grades 4, 5, and 6 elementary students in an easy way. Create a game that can monitor the students' progress and generate accurate reports about the Filipino subject. Purpose and description. Researchers. The game will serve as the application of what they had learned through the years of studying the course. Students. The game will help the students in improving their skills and knowledge in their Filipino subject. Teachers. The game will help the teachers in monitoring their students' progress about the subject. Scope and limitation of the study. The game is for desktop PC that can be played by elementary students from grade 4 up to grade 6, applied with fun animations and audios. These covers different types of games, a concept of hangaroog for grade 4, text twist for grade 5, guess the answer for grade 6, that cover different topics related in Filipino subject. The game is capable of identifying the Filipino topics from grade 4 to grade 6. It is a LAN-based game wherein the teacher grants access to the computer unit and the students need to type their full name and section before playing. The game has 4 stages. The first stage represents the first grading, second stage represents the second grading, third stage represents the third grading, and fourth stage represents the fourth grading. The game itself is also restricting the game levels. They will start at the lowest level, the first stage, and will only move to the succeeding stage once they finish the current stage, until they reach fourth stage. Once they finish the last stage, an extra game with the concept of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire will be unlocked with old Filipino words as topic. The system has 2 users, the teacher and student. The teacher can monitor the student's progress if the student is capable or able to play the next level. The game is capable of generating reports like the individual scores of the students, and the scores of the students by their sections ranking from highest to lowest. The game is only usable in a desktop PC and is not connected to the internet.
Create created using Powtoon.